This is it. The FS looks like it's in the 25. Yeah, we'll see how accurate this is versus the computer. There, oh, it's even deeper. Yeah. This is a sound quality machine, baby.
So mine is
Series. We ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, I gotta put the thing in. So 13 and a half. I'll just do a little review. I haven't done this in a while. Plus we get a lot of new viewers and people people don't want to go back and watch 100 videos. There we go. Smells like weed. Who's smoking? 6.7.7. Oh, somebody's smoking in the park behind here. Yeah.
God.
Well, they shoot heroin up in there too.
Oh my God.
So, yeah. Well, it's like, you know. Yeah, dirty people that smoke heroin. Yeah. Dirty birds. I'm telling you, man. All right, so cock it to the side so that the vent can breathe. And then we're just gonna do the measure the VAS or free air. Sorry. Free air, there we go. And then go ahead and set it down. That was weird. Okay, let's do it again. No, it's acting weird. You may have to.
It's all flat and just jumps off like that?
Sometimes you gotta restart those. Hang on.
Well, I never used this. So.
Yeah. Alright, let's try this again.
Lift it up?
Yeah, lift it up a little bit so that where the back vent isn't blocked. There it goes. Okay, so now it's reading. And then we're going to put the grams in again. What was it, 267.7? And then 13 and a half. And then go ahead and lift it up again. And there it is. Oh, loose suspension paid off.
Well, what's that?
Well, I don't want to say paid off, but it definitely makes a difference. So,
I gotta make a five cube?
Well, that's if you want to get down to 28 hertz.
Right.
You don't need to get down to 28 hertz. I put this in 4 cubic feet, no more.
No more?
But typically these only need about 2 cubic feet. Yeah. So that tells me to put a stiffer suspension on it. Yeah.
Next time.
So, well, because that's how you keep that's one way to keep your VAS down, or minimal to a smaller size, is to give it more resistance. So, but this thing will, I mean, this would be a killer home theater sub. Like, your neighbors for like a mile around would hate you. So, but yeah, so with just a single spider, well, it's a dual layer spider with silicone in the middle on the 15 with the Gonzo cone. That's the parameters that you would get for dual 2 with the lower to base bifiliar dual 2 coil on basically the lower to base 600 ounce motor, which is pretty generic because like everybody uses it. Anyways, love you guys. Dennis, thank you for coming over.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you for learning and helping out.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much, guys.
All right.